Once upon a time, in a quiet little village nestled between rolling hills, there was a meadow that only came alive at night. By day, it looked like any ordinary field of grass and flowers, but as the sun dipped below the horizon, the meadow glowed under the gentle light of the moon. In this meadow lived a little firefly named Luma. Luma was not like the other fireflies who loved buzzing around in big, noisy groups. She preferred quiet corners where the moonlight danced softly on the petals of wildflowers. Every night, Luma would wander through the meadow, leaving trails of gentle light wherever she went. One night, as Luma floated over the silver-tipped grass, she noticed something unusual. A tiny, trembling creature was sitting under a tall daisy. It was a baby hedgehog, shivering and lost. Luma hovered close and whispered in the softest glow, "Don't worry, little one. I'll help you find your home." The hedgehog blinked at Luma, and his fear slowly melted away. They started their journey together, moving gently through the cool night air. As they walked, the meadow seemed to respond. Flowers bent slightly, guiding them along the path. Crickets chirped in a rhythm that matched Luma's glowing heartbeat. Even the wind whispered soft lullabies through the trees. Along the way, they encountered an old owl perched on a branch. "Who?" the owl asked, tilting his head. Luma explained about the lost hedgehog. The owl blinked slowly and then hooted softly. "Follow the silver stream. It will take you to where you belong." They continued, stepping carefully over mossy stones and patches of moonlit clover. The baby hedgehog's tiny paws pressed into the soft earth, and with each step he grew calmer. Luma's light shimmered brighter, filling the path with warmth and gentle comfort. At last they reached a little hollow under an old oak tree. The hedgehog's family was there, awake just enough to welcome him back with quiet snuffles and soft nudges. The baby hedgehog nuzzled his mother and looked at Luma. "Thank you," he whispered. Luma smiled, her glow dimming slightly as she prepared to leave. "Remember," she said softly, "even in the darkest night, there is always a little light to guide you home." With that, she floated back into the meadow, her tiny light blending with the silver of the moon. And as the night deepened, every creature in the meadow fell into a calm, peaceful sleep, their dreams drifting like gentle clouds under the moonlit sky. And so the meadow remained magical, quiet and comforting, a place where anyone could rest, feeling safe and cared for as the world whispered soft good nights.